33%, 63% left.
Oh, it's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. As you can see, I have a 14 by 14 canvas that I've already put white on, and John has graciously made an outline of a flower for me. And I'm going to put more colors on it, and then I'll tell you what we're going to do when it's time to do it. Okay, so the middle first.
Middle? I wouldn't put any middle in there.
No, don't need a middle.
Isn't everything gonna go to the middle?
I guess. Yeah, that's true. Okay.
Well, it's up to you.
All right.
You can put that in the middle. A little drop of that in the middle there. That's pretty color. Beautiful. There you go.
Do I want to go? No, this has to go inside, huh?
I would think so.
Yeah, because we don't want that much
Just
white.
put it right next to it on the inside. Oh, nice. Yeah. I'm just humming to myself. You're using apple barrel colors again? Is this apple barrel color? I know the apple barrel was the orange and the sublime line was apple barrel.
I don't know. Hold on.
I'll let you know what it is when you put it down. I'll tell them what it is. And it's pink.
Craft Smart Bright Pink.
Bright pink.
I used Apple Barrel Sublime Lime and Apple Barrel Tropic Orange.
Tropic orange.
I almost called it Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel. I like the Cracker Barrel macaroni and cheese.
Ooh, yeah, that's good.
That's nice stuff.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Ooh, pretty.
I think I need to put. What was it? Okay. This the purple that you used?
That's the purple I used on the inside. Yeah.
Because I'm gonna try not to have too much white showing.
Okay. You probably need something in the middle. What color are we gonna put in the middle?
In the middle there?
Hmm. Oh no, not the middle there. I'm thinking about the middle in here. In here.
I could use this color. It's kind of pretty. See?
Yeah, pretty. It's kind of pretty. We have no blues either. If you use a blue, probably when you pull it in, it's going to turn yellow. Blue's going to turn to green anyhow. So, no, when you pull it,
yeah.
when you're doing it.
Use this color? No?
No, I'd say use the blue. Use some of these. Use that color. That's a pretty color. Probably don't need a lot, just enough. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I like that.
Hope everybody's having a good day.
Yeah,
welcome into our home. I think I forgot my whole thing that I say. Now should I use this?
It's a great day for...
I did that.
Oh, you did?
I didn't.
Okay.
This one? This different color pink?
Where are you putting that one?
Oh no, pink kind of takes over too, huh? All right.
I think you're good, no?
Yeah, I can leave white, you think?
Well, it's got, why don't you put a drop of purple in the middle of each one?
Like a line?
Yeah, like a line, like a little bit of line there, because then It's a lot of paint anyhow, so yeah, like that. So it should cover it, because you're going to squish it anyhow, right? You're a squisher.
Ah. Okay, now I gotta put colors around it.
You can put some colors around it.
Ready?
If you say so. Did you use that color already?
I used the teal, but it looks like the
That
same
looked like
color.
the same
huh?
color, huh? Yeah. I'd eliminate that color. Go with something greenish. About a little. What other green do we have? Yeah, that's like. What, did you use this green already?
Yeah.
I've got more greens there. Oh, yeah, green. How about this Liquitex light green? This is a pretty color. Want to try that one? Or no?
Sure.
There you go.
Should I put something like in between there?
I wouldn't.
Sure.
I would leave it nice and white there. Right, dark green?
Sure.
There's a Christmas green. Ooh. How about like a
Yellow
little
or
bit of
something?
yellow? Yeah, a little yellow in there. That'd be nice.
Maybe a little blue?
Mm,
Too dark?
I don't know. You want it to be like a leafy thing, though. We got some more greens. Oh, I got more greens here. Look at this. I got a mint green. Oh, look at that. Come on. That's a nice color. And I got a mousy green. Mossy green.
Mousy green.
Mousy green.
Maybe I'll just run this through them all. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah, why not? Yeah, that's kind of like a nice color green. Like
Don't think I
color.
need anything in between there.
Well, I'm thinking things are gonna squish in, and I think when you squish it, it's gonna leave your flower there. So
Okay.
I don't know.
Well, we'll
it's up
see.
to you. You listen to me for. You don't want to watch these videos. I don't watch any damn videos.
It's an experiment.
You're the expert.
I watch the videos, but then I forget what they're about, or I miss steps. Okay, I guess, do we wanna do this?
Clear
Clear the decks.
the decks. Now, what are you going to do with this? You want the shiny side up? The dull side up? You want to wet it? You want to spray it? What do you want to do?
Oh, I guess we could spray it, right?
I guess I would go with not the shiny side, but
The dull side, right? The dull side down.
dull side down.
I guess, I think that's enough what?
Enough wet for you, Mindy. You got it?
I got it.
Make sure we get it over the whole picture. There you go. Smushy, smushy. Smushy, smushy.
I need something right there, I can see.
Where? Just push it over.
I'm trying.
There's white there anyhow, see the whites? Yeah, you don't want it to get too close to the flower.
All right, so what
So
we
let's
put
see.
on here was
Freezer paper.
freezer paper.
Let it dull
I think I
side down. Dull.
Should probably put more here.
Put go like, see what you get. Oops. Or just lift it, give it a little squirt, put it back down.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Okay.
Which color to use though? 'Cause I gotta...
I'm gonna use a couple. Well, I don't know if I would do
Okay,
that.
yeah, I didn't realize it was that far.
I don't know if I'd do that. Just leave it, make it look like a little white in there. Okay, so we're gonna pick it. Let me see. Make sure we're in the camera here. So you're gonna go that side. I'm gonna go this side.
We have to go to the middle.
Towards the middle.
No, one corner at a time.
Oh, one corner at a time.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Okay, go ahead. You wanna go first?
Well, you could use that corner and I could do this corner at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
You got what that corner? You need that corner?
Okay, ready?
You gotta go fast. Drop it.
Too much paint again, but it looks pretty cool. Sort of like a flower.
Sorta like a flower.
Okay. Yeah, too much paint again in the middle. See, there's a lot of paint in that
Too
middle.
much paint.
Do you think I should tilt it a little bit?
I don't know. It'd be nice to cover that little white hole you have there.
Where? Here?
Yeah, but I don't know how you're gonna do that with, look how pretty your picture looks here.
Isn't this one pretty?
Huh?
You think that's pretty? You could pump that on something else.
Pump it.
You can do another one.
I guess you could, but I don't want to.
I could put something there.
Let me see. Oh, maybe you tilt it. Maybe it'll go down there. It kind of looks interesting, no? If you have enough paint on there, it should run down there, right? Oh, you're so smart. Tilt to the camera.
Yeah, but it's going, but is it going to still look like a flower?
Yeah, I don't see why it wouldn't look like a flower. Is it going down there?
Yeah. You can't see it?
You just gonna, once you get it covered, you're going to pull it back to the middle, right?
Yeah. What do you think?
I don't think it looks like a flower anymore. Get it back.
Hold on. I was going to do that.
Oh, you gotta turn it towards the...
You can dip that again into something. Looks a little like an iris. The flower that the iris is.
Mm-hmm. I don't know what it looks like.
See, a petal, a petal, a petal.
Yeah, sort of. Yeah.
You don't see that?
Like this part better. Like this paper better.
How about if you dip that into that? Put it on top of that. Well, and keep
it's
that.
gonna come out, huh?
And keep that. Well, want me to swipe it or something? What do you think?
I don't know.
I could use the torch. It's different.
It is different. We'll just let it dry, see what it looks like.
Okay.
So let's torch that puppy up.
I probably should have just put some pink or some purple or something where that white was. Now I think of it. Well, it's an abstract.
It is.
An abstract.
It's abstract,
Flower.
all right. Abstract.
Okay, hopefully it's not going to crack because it's a lot of paint.
Doesn't look too thick to me.
In the middle part it is.
It looks interesting.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
It's different. All right, guys. I guess that's it for today. Hopefully this will dry nice. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming into our house, sharing your time with us. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell to get notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, co-workers, family, neighbors. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. This is Patty and John doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching, and please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.